Welcome into Fosak TV. Today's feature, FBI director told China is greatest threat of us. The director of the FBI has said that acts of espionage and theft by China's government pose the greatest long-term threat to the future of the US. Speaking to the Hudson Institute of Washington, Christopher Wade described multi-pronged disruption campaign. He said China had begun targeting Chinese nationals living abroad, coercing their return, and was working to compromise US coronavirus research. The stakes could not be higher. Mr. Ray said, the stakes could not be higher, Mr. Ray said. China is engaged in a whole of state effort to become the world's only superpower by any means necessary, he added. In a nearly hour-long speech on Tuesday, the FBI director outlined a stark picture of Chinese interference, a far-reaching campaign of economic espionage, data and monetary theft, and illegal political activities using bribery and blackmail to influence US policy. We have now reached a point where the FBI is now opening a new China-related counterintelligence case every 10 hours. Mr. Ray said, of the nearly 5,000 active counterintelligence cases currently underway across the country, almost half are related to China. The FBI director mentioned a program called Fox Hunt, which he said President Xi Jinping had spearheaded and he said was geared at Chinese nationals living abroad seen as threats to the Chinese government. We are talking about political rivals, dissidents and critics seeking to expose China's extensive human rights violation. He said, the Chinese government wants to force them to return to China and China's tactics to accomplish that are shocking. He continued, when it could not locate one Fox Hunt target, the Chinese government sent an emissary to visit the target's family here in the United States. The message they said to pass on. The target had two options, return to China promptly or commit suicide. The program was originally begun in 2015 to target people accused of corruption and has reportedly led to the capture of thousands of fugitives. However, reports of extraordinary rendition of political opponents by Beijing have multiplied in recent years, starting with Gui Minhai, one of a group of Hong Kong booksellers who disappeared in 2015 and resurfaced in Chinese custody. Unlike the others, Mr. Gui disappeared abroad in Thailand rather than from Hong Kong itself. Behind the report, Fosak TV.